Your truck, or do you work for the company?
This is my truck.
This is your truck. Do you have any papers, documentation or something? All right, here you go, sir. That's all I needed. Thank you. Just give me like 20 minutes or so. All right, let's work on the code here. Ooh. All right, let's go cut the key now. So it's a Mitsubishi Fuso. Fuso? I don't know how you say it. Let's try to hit the key. Perfect. Was it a different key from the door? From the door and the ignition, was it a different key?
No, it was all the same.
It was the same? Not working on the ignition for some reason. All right, let me keep trying. All right, so my camera ran out of battery. Sorry about that. But we cut him 2 keys. Here you go, 2 keys cut. Let's see if it starts. Yeah. All set. 2017 Mitsubishi Fuso. Give Don Tuan a call. He has moving services. He does moving services here. Don Tuan, he left already. I was taking a little while to get the key done, so he had to leave. But give him a call. There is his contact info. So yeah, y'all have a good day.